Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your PayPal account. First, navigate to the official PayPal website or download their convenient mobile application. Once there, locate and click the Sign Up button to initiate your registration. You'll then be prompted to select an account type. A personal account, ideal for sending and receiving money with friends and family, or a business account, designed for selling goods and services. Make your choice to proceed to the next step. Next, you'll need to input your personal details. This includes your full legal name, a valid email address, and a strong, unique password. For enhanced security, provide your mobile phone number. This enables two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection. Remember to review and agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement. Finally, check your email inbox for a verification link and click it to confirm your address, completing this crucial step. Now it's time to link a payment method. You have two primary options, a bank account or a debit or credit card. To link a bank account, you'll need your bank's routing and account numbers. For a card, simply enter the card number, expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code. PayPal will send 2 small deposits, typically less than $1, to your bank account for verification. Confirm these amounts within your PayPal account to finalize the link. You can always add more methods later. Congratulations, your PayPal account is now ready to use. You can effortlessly send money to friends and family by simply using their email address or phone number. To receive payments, just share your PayPal email address with the sender. Beyond personal transfers, you can make secure online purchases at millions of retailers across the globe. Don't forget to explore other valuable features, such as creating invoices, setting up recurring payments, or even making charitable donations. Enjoy the convenience and security PayPal offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.